Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find GoDaddy promo codes or top discount codes for GoDaddy in 2025. So as you can see that you just have to simply open your web browser and you need to type couponfollow.com website. So on this website, you will see a bunch of different deals and promo codes relating to GoDaddy, like 25% off, 99% off, 20% off. So you just have to simply select that particular coupon code in which you are interested. So let's say I want to avail this 50% off coupon code, so you need to simply click on the coupon codes right next to it, and then it will show you the coupon code which you need to copy, and offer details. So you need to make sure that you read these offer details so you can bug savings at GoDaddy by getting 50% off on your purchase. So you need to click on godaddy.com and create your account over here, and at the time of checkout, you just have to simply use this promo code and you will get up to 50% off on your first order with GoDaddy. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.